How to use based on page property version strategy. As you have probably read, there are 2 version strategies you can choose for your pages. In this video, we are going to analyze the second choice, based on the page property macro. First, you need to add the page properties macro to your page. To do so, insert a page properties macro. In the macro body, create a table with 2 columns. In the left column, list your keys, and in the right column, list the value for each key. Then just save your page. Now go back to space settings. And under the page properties settings, type the key version into the page property header field. From the version format field, define how many numbers your version would have and for which numbers the users need to review the page again. That's it! You have successfully chosen to go with the based on page property macro version strategy.